Should I turn on the Facebook professional mode? In this video, I'll be clearing your doubts and answering your questions about the Facebook professional mode. What it is, why Facebook introduced it, should you switch it on or just leave your Facebook profile the way it is? If you turn it on, what are the advantages and the possible disadvantages? All of this is what I'm about to show you, and I promise that in a few minutes from now, you will be well informed about the Facebook professional mode and if you should be using it or not. So, what is the Facebook professional mode? The Facebook professional mode is one of the latest Facebook features that help Facebook video creators to access deeper information about how their videos are performing on Facebook. Now, stay with me. Before now, when you post a video on Facebook, the only statistics that you can see are things like likes and comments under your video. But with the Facebook professional mode turned on, you can see more detailed statistics, insight, and analytics about your video content. This is not the only feature that the Facebook professional mode provides, because another big one about the professional mode is that if you want to monetize your Facebook account, that is, if you want Facebook to start paying you for your video content that you publish on the Facebook platform, then the Facebook professional mode will interest you. Now, I hope you already know the difference between your Facebook profile and your Facebook business page. But for those who don't really know the difference, your Facebook profile is your normal Facebook feed. It is what you see immediately when you sign into your Facebook account. Usually, your Facebook feed will always carry your name, or more appropriately, the name that you used in opening your Facebook account. And whenever you post either a text, an image, or video content on your profile feed, you expect your Facebook friends or maybe the general Facebook community to see your post. So for instance, this is my home Facebook profile. The second type of platform that is available on the Facebook account is the Facebook business page, or what we used to call the fan page back in the days. Now, unlike your Facebook profile that comes automatically when you created your new Facebook account, you have to separately create a Facebook business page. Also, while you have only one Facebook profile that usually carry the name that you use in opening your Facebook account, for a business page, you can decide to use any name at all to create it. That is the reason why it is called a business page, because you can create a page for your business or brand using any brand name of your choice, and it will exist independent of your Facebook profile within the same account. Another difference between your Facebook profile and your business page is that while you only have a single Facebook profile, you can have as many business pages as possible. So, back to our topic of interest. If you have been very active on the Facebook feed and you already have several friends with lots of videos on your profile, the only way you can earn money from your Facebook profile is for you to turn on the professional mode. If you do, you will not only be able to monetize your Facebook profile, you also will be able to turn your Facebook friends automatically into your Facebook followers, and also very importantly, you will be able to build unlimited number of Facebook followers. If you don't turn on the professional mode, you will only be limited to your 5,000 maximum Facebook friends and nothing more. But if you're the type that is more active on your Facebook page, better than your Facebook profile, then you can easily monetize your Facebook page without necessarily turning on the Facebook professional mode. So what I'm going to do right now is to take you to my Facebook account and turn on the professional mode, and then I can show you more secrets that you need to know about the Facebook professional mode. I will show you the good and possibly the bad side of the professional mode so that you can either turn it on if you think you really need this feature, or even turn it off if you think it will be a disadvantage to you. So to turn on the professional mode, I will come over to my Facebook feed. I'll click my profile icon here. I'll click my Facebook profile. I'll click these three dots and then come down here. And as you can see, if you have not turned on the Facebook professional mode before now, you will see the turn on professional mode. And if you have already turned it on before now, but you want to turn it off after you're done watching this video, then you will, in your home case, turn off the professional mode. So for me, I will turn on the professional mode so that I can show you more live demonstrations of the professional mode, the features, and some of the things you need to know. Okay, this is just the summary of what the professional mode is all about. But this doesn't explain everything that you need to know about the professional mode. But basically, as you can see, the professional mode lets you get paid for your content. It helps you grow your audience, giving you access to unlimited Facebook followers, and then you can access deeper insight into how your Facebook videos are performing so that you will be better educated on how to improve on your videos for better performance. So if I click the Learn More button, you can see that you also have options to manage the type of audience that can see your content on Facebook. So I'll just go ahead and click Turn On. Done. And that is just it. I am now in the professional mode. The first thing you will notice here is that my Facebook friends have automatically been converted to my Facebook followers here. Again, I now have a new feature called Tools. So if I click on the View Tools, so you can see my new professional mode dashboard. And then I can manage my Facebook profile from this dashboard. So the quick summary here is that the professional mode lets you monetize your Facebook profile without you creating a Facebook page. Also, the professional mode is very good for business people. So if your plan is to use content marketing to get new clients and customers to your business from Facebook, even without bothering about the Facebook monetization, then you should strongly consider turning on the Facebook professional mode. This is because you can build unlimited number of followers using the professional mode, and statistics has shown that video content do more viral on the Facebook profile much better than it performs on the Facebook page. Another reason why business owners might love this professional mode option is because once you turn on the professional mode, you can easily promote or boost your Facebook post. If you're not on the professional mode, you will not be able to do this except you go to the Facebook Business Manager to do so. So to the big question, do I really need to turn on the Facebook professional mode? Here is my suggestion for you. Now, if you have very few Facebook friends or you're not very active on Facebook, now by active, I mean that you have not been posting your own original videos that are getting good views, I think you should just leave the professional mode alone. Also, if you are not just into making money from Facebook monetization, again, don't turn on the professional mode. I know that everybody wants to make money, but you should know that making money from content creation is not for the faint-hearted. So if you know that you don't have that energy to be a content creator that will be able to monetize your Facebook profile, then you don't need to switch on the professional mode. It will not just make any sense. Again, if the only reason why you are on Facebook is just to socialize or connect with family and friends and just cash cruise or enjoy gossips and see what's trending online, what I'm saying here is that if you are just on Facebook to catch fun, I really think you should not bother turning on the professional mode. In fact, it might even be a disadvantage or just a nuisance to you. But should I tell you my best opinion on this? My best opinion here is that you should turn the professional mode off and open a Facebook page or get more active on your Facebook page if you already have one. Especially if you have not really had so many great videos on your Facebook profile already. This is because a Facebook page gives you more flexibilities. For instance, you can monetize more than one page, but you can only monetize your Facebook profile with the professional mode. Also, using Facebook pages can help you organize your life better because, for instance, you can create different pages for different purposes and your friends on Facebook profile won't see your post on Facebook page, only your followers will get to see them. So you can easily dedicate your Facebook pages to your business, to monetization, and several other reasons for which you are active on Facebook. Ask some Facebook users that are on the professional mode, and they will tell you that sometimes the professional mode can really be a nuisance. But remember that operating the Facebook pages also have its own downside. The biggest one for me is that you will have to divide your energy between your Facebook profile and the different pages that you're trying to build and manage at the same time. But if you don't see that as a big deal, then go ahead, turn off the professional mode if you have it turned on, and if you haven't done so yet, don't turn it on. Instead, build your Facebook page or pages. But if you know that you have invested so much into your Facebook profile and you are certain that you have enough content and followers that can easily help you to monetize your Facebook profile, or if you're running a business, help you to sell more, then go ahead and turn on the professional mode and manage your account from your professional dashboard. If you disagree with any of my opinion, or you have any question, suggestion, or contribution, please drop them in the comment section. I and the community will really be happy to read and to respond to them. Please make sure you like this video before leaving, and if you are not a subscribed visitor, then subscribe to this channel so that you can see more amazing videos like this from me when I publish them. Meanwhile, in this very video, I show you how you can monetize your Facebook profile and pages without creating any video of your own. If that sounds intriguing, then click it, watch it, and earn from Facebook.